Hi, in this video we are going to see the state university recruitment notification 2021. You can apply from any state all over the India guys. And here the opportunities are there for the graduation candidates as well as the post graduation candidates. There is no necessity of a UGC NET or the PhD qualification here. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking such type of government vacancies in the state government universities. It will be a wonderful opportunity and it will be very much helpful to them. With only graduation or the post graduation, you can earn 40,000 rupees per month up to. And here there is no application fee and there is no written examination. The selection will be purely based upon the interview only. So please share this video guys, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here it is a Punjab University established in 1882. So in this Punjab University, you may check down the university jobs here. So the Center for Industry Institute Partnership Program, various posts of managers, data entry operators and the assistant. And here this notification released on 7th May 2021 and the last date is 24th May 2021. And click on this one and then you will be directed to the notification here. So you may check down clearly guys. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the following temporary post for 1 year and extendable up to 5 years under the DST sponsored TEC project. So 1 year is compulsory and then it can be extendable up to 5 years. And senior manager 1 post, qualification bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or a master's degree in science, any science from a recognized university, or equivalent and essential 8 years experience in R&D in industrial and academic institutions or science and technology organizations and scientific activities and services. Upper age limit is 40 years. MBA with good experience in technology development and working with industry is a desirable one. But even though if it is not there, chalta. अगर आपको only bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or else master's degree in science, then you can apply for this one. So you will get 49,000 rupees per month plus HRA also will be available. And manager in technology 2 posts are there. Essential qualifications, bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or master's degree in science from recognized university. Upper age limit is 35 years. And the desirable MTech with experience in technology development and ability to interact with the academic labs, mind technologies from academic labs, and 2 years of experience in the R&D. So here the amount you are going to get 31,000 rupees plus HRA will be available to the candidates who are having national eligibility test, CSIR, UGC NET including lecturership or else GATE or any other national level examinations conducted by the central government departments, their agencies or the institutions. अगर आपको national eligibility test or else the national level examination qualification नहीं हो तो then no problem. If you are having only bachelor's degree in science or else a master's degree in science, then you are going to get 25,000 rupees per month plus HRA also available. So next one, manager 1 post, essential bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or master's degree in science from recognized university, and the desirable is mentioned here. 31,000 rupees plus HRA and 25,000 rupees plus HRA for the non-UGC NET or the non-CSIR NET candidates. Manager finance 1 post, same qualification and same upper age limit and same salary. And the data entry operator 1 post is a graduate degree in science. Upper age limit is 35 years and desirable experience in website development or office work, data entry, multi-purpose work or field work, etc. So आपको मिलेगी 18,000 rupees plus HRA will be available and the upper limit of total salary is 20,000 rupees per month. And coming to the assistant 1 post is at least class 12th pass or else the equivalent for assistance to the other staff in TEC. Upper age limit is 35 years and 12,000 rupees per month you can earn. Okay, fine. So I think most of the candidates will cover under this qualifications, guys. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity, and scanned applications along with biodata, attested copies of certificates and work experience should be emailed to pu_tec@pu.ac.in by 24th May 2021. It is the last date, guys, and the interview date and time will be informed through email to the shortlisted candidates. Interview of only shortlisted candidates will be held. Okay, so that means there is no written test here. Directly you can go for the interview if you once selected, and you will get the information to your mail ID, guys. Okay, so please keep on your mail ID once after applying. Okay, and yeah, and the application form is also kept here. So take down the printout of this one and then fill up, okay, all the details and attach whatever the documents they are asking. Okay, and after attaching the documents each and everything, and just scan all the documents you are having, and the scanned copies sent to this mail ID. Okay, by the 24th May 2021. Okay, so these are the details regarding this notification, guys. So I hope all of you are utilize this opportunity. So all the best to the candidates, okay, who are matching with this profile, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful. And also I'm requesting you to please subscribe the channel. Okay, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide